Do you want to say the intro?
No, you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Red Poppy. I have a special little guest with me today.
My name is Maddie.
This is Madeline, and we have some really fun products from JOANN. There is a brand new kids craft line.
It's mine.
It's all hers. We're pretty excited about it, so we're gonna do a quick...
I want to open it.
You wanna open it?
Mm-hmm.
It's all yours. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ooh, look at all those fun
Are
things.
they really all mine?
They really are all yours. So the very first one we have is this really cute rock painting kit. What do you think about that?
Ooh, can we do it right now?
We are gonna do a craft right after we unbox everything. How's that sound?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next up we have this tissue paper kit.
What does edit out mean? Cool! Stickers!
Okay, we have stickers. This one is adorable. Look at this. It's like a little lacing kit. So this is great for those fine motor skills. So why don't you set that aside? We also have this cute tissue paper kit. That looks like a lot of fun. There's rainbow seashells. What do you think about that one?
I like it.
You like it? Oh, you're gonna love this one. Look.
Wow!
Oh my goodness. So this is an ornament kit. There's actually a bunch of different ornament kits in this new line. So we have the unicorn. We have this cute flamingo.
Are we supposed to color this?
Maddie's diving in. Ooh, this is a scratch art. So underneath, if you scratch this, then you get color underneath. So that one looks really...
scratch it with a little penny.
Yeah, just like that. Okay, another one. This cute little Sharky. What do you think about that? Your brother would love that.
I can give it to him.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, this is our favorite thing. We love the craft foam platters because you can invite your friends over. You can have a big craft day. It's pretty inexpensive. Our things. This one's a mermaid one. So here's a close-up of it. Little mermaids, dolphins, seahorses. Cute. What's this one? You want to show this one off? What is it?
Unicorn?
Unicorns. Do we like unicorns in our house? We love unicorns. Your little sister is probably going to steal that one.
She's
Okay,
probably going to scream.
Another foam platter. This one's really cute. Under the sea. So
I'm hiding this from Billy.
You're hiding it from your sister? What about this one?
I don't want
Who's going to love this?
Lincoln.
Lincoln's going to love it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have a few more things. Look. This looks like so much fun.
Is that like a little carpet?
So we have 4 different canvas bag kits. This looks really fun. You can take your paints and paint them, and then you get to wear it. What do you think?
Like wear that?
Okay, so there's a mermaid. That one is adorable. Look how cute that is.
I thought it was a bag.
It's a bag, but it looks like a mermaid tail.
I want a bag.
And a unicorn one.
I want the unicorn one for me to put my stuff in. And then my pencils.
This is perfect for summer because you could pack your swimsuit in here and take it to the beach or the pool. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one.
Which craft should we do first?
Yeah, let's do this one.
We are gonna do the mermaid one first. Okay, so Maddie's first project is gonna be this really cute mermaid bag.
How do you open
this is adorable. Let's put out a little bit of plastic underneath just so you don't...
knock it on the table?
Exactly. Do you mind if I help you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna steal a brush out of this one.
Hey!
And help you. Okay. Could we do it a few different colors?
Yeah. I want like this, all purple and like lines, all different colors.
So Madeline just finished up her little mermaid bag. Do you want to show everyone what it looks like? It turned out so cute.
I'm gonna put my stuff in it.
It's gonna take a little bit to dry, but we're gonna set this aside for now. And you can choose one more craft. So which one should we do? We have rock painting. We can do, oh, okay. We are going with stickers and lacing.
Bye.
Okay.
Ooh, stickers.
Those are so cute. What do you think?
I love them.
You love them? Okay, next we have some really cute, look, we got pineapple,
these on
2 girls. I think you can if you want to. Put them on the back. But what you have to do is punch out these holes.
I know.
So push them all out. Okay, so these are all punched out and ready to start crafting. Maddie's going to town already. This is great for those fine motor skills, so it's a good craft, but you're also going to be learning. Did you get it through? be careful.
I accidentally did.
So yep, you just want to lace it through the little holes. So you go up and down, kind of like sewing, huh?
Yeah, but a little bit pointy.
But not pointy, that's right. It's just like a needle and thread, but without being pointy.
Ta-da! Now I can tie it to my backpack.
You can tie it to your backpack. Good
Yeah,
idea.
like that little holy thingy.
Okay, let's move on to this tissue paper kit. So this is what it looks like. This one says it's for ages 6+. So you are perfect for this. Okay.
Ew.
So choose your favorite one.
I want the heart.
So we have a bunch of different shapes that we can choose from. I'm gonna go with this rainbow one.
I'm going with seashell.
It also comes with a plastic template, and you're going to be
Is
placing,
it a seashell?
you can do the seashell. You're going to place all of your little pieces of tissue paper onto your plastic template. Okay, what do you think? Does that look good enough? How's that look?
Cool. Now we're ready for the next step.
Okay, so we want to glue this to our piece of wood. So I'm gonna use some hot glue along the borders. Okay, so here is our finished little stained glass piece, and you could hang this up. It has a hole at the top, so you could hang it in the window, and
I'm hanging it in the window.
Hang it in the window. Okay, so we made 3 different crafts today using JOANN's Kids Pops craft line, which was so fun. What do you think?
It was amazing.
It was amazing. I love it. So if you want to find any of these products, you can find them at your local JOANN. You can go into the store or you can shop online. What do you think? Are we going to get more?
Mm-hmm.
For sure, huh?
Thank you so much for crafting with us today.
Thanks for crafting with us today. And don't forget to subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy. We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
I will give you 5 gummy worms if you can do it.
7.
7. Done. Okay. Thanks so much for crafting with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy. Subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy.
We'll see you guys next week. Oh, you did so good.
Now I'm gonna eat.
Thank you.